So guys, we'll be looking at Zerogoki price. It's REI. That's the short code. It's called. The rank is currently 3,277, and you see the price is $4, about $4. So the thing is that they're giving out airdrop. So I'm currently logged in my CoinMarketCap. All you need to do is you can add it to your watch list. It says Zerogoki has been added to your watch list. So the name of the token is Zerogoki token. Zerogoki. I think that's the pronunciation. It's an Ethereum contract. This is the overview, and this is the time remaining for the airdrop. You have about 1 day, 20 hours, 9 minutes. So by the time this video will be out, you still have enough time to compete for this airdrop. Now the thing about these airdrops most times is that sometimes the airdrop are based on random selection, or other times based on first time comers. So apparently you can still push in for this airdrop. I think the steps here are very easy to do. So then they are giving out 3,000 REI tokens airdrop by Zerogoki. So participate in our 3,000 airdrop, get up to 3 REI. So 3 times 4, that's the price of 1 REI. That's about $12 to $13 minimum. About $12 to $13 minimum. So they're giving about 3,000. So these are the steps here. It says how to participate. We have add REI to your watch list, which you've done. So follow them on Twitter, which you've done. So join them on Telegram. We're going to do it. Then for you say retweet their pin post. Then you watch out for the winners list on the official Zerogoki Twitter and Telegram account after the end of the competition. So reward distribution will be from August 1st to August 7th. All bots and duplicate entries will be automatically disqualified. So these are the rules. Said no bots or no automatic, no double submissions. So guys, I think this is something you guys should jump on right now and just do complete this task. So hope this video was helpful to you. One love. See you in our next upload. Click on the link in the description box below so you can get direct access to this airdrop and the tasks here. So peace out guys. You can drop your comments in the comment section.